Want to leave her a message?
Yes, please. So I'm a financial educator and I provide financial education throughout the community. And what we've been doing is reaching out to families to see if they want to learn more about how to become better money managers. And we teach them about investments, insurance. We talk about even retirement planning and estate planning. And all of our classes are all complimentary. And you pick a time and date in our calendar. So that's why we're calling to see if she was open to learning more about it, if it didn't conflict with our schedule.
Well, she just let me know she's not that interested right now, but she'll anything she'll change. Or she change her mind, she'll call you guys back.
Okay. And is this a number that I could text her, huh?
Um, yeah,
Because the reason why I said that is because I could send a link also, so that way she could look into it more and see if it's something that should be open to. Is that okay?
yeah.
All right, awesome. And thank you for taking the call, and you have a blessed day. That's what we call a blessing blocker. He should have blocked poor Ashley's blessing.
Yeah,
He's like, don't you empower my woman and let her know she don't need me.
right. Exactly. That's how I heard it too.
Right
That's
now, the
exactly how I heard it.
right now the best thing she got, you want to tell her she got better.
Yeah.
Tell you, people blocking their blessings, man. Hello, is this Julius? Hey Julius, this is Coach Keon. It seemed like I got you at a bad time, man. What's a better time to give you a call back?
What are you looking for?
Huh?
Who is this?
This is Coach Keon. I was actually calling to tell you about our program where we offer financial education to families, and they could get access to them on Zoom.
Because he is definitely asleep.
I'm gonna text Julius so he knows exactly what I am and what we do. Poor Julius. You look like he was sleeping thinking about the fact that I didn't have to work today. I bet you Cindy's the one. She's gonna be so happy we called her. She'll be like, man, where you been all my life? Here we go.
I'm sorry, but the person you called has a voicemail box that has not been.
I'm calling Cindy back. Cindy need us.
I'm sorry, but the person you called has a
Damn.
voicemail box that has not
Cindy,
been
you
set up
missed
yet.
out, girl.
What is it, 28 calls?
So we made 28 calls and we got 2 callback. We sent out 2 text messages. Well, 3 text messages. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not a bad day in the office.